Okay, so this is a demonstration of the static, what I'm going to be calling Magmo, which stands for magnetic motor. I'm just showing the apparatus. It's very simple. There's no trickery of any kind. These are 12 position magnets from 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and so forth. So it's easy to see there's 12 magnets here. As it is right now, this is just a free spinning magnet disc with 12 magnets on it. Okay, so I've been thinking about Tesla's induction motor and the angles of which he stipulated on the induction motors to make it possible. Now, this is not, and neither did I expect this to be, a real energy producer. It proves a theory about some of the unseen forces of a magnetic field, which I don't really think is fully understood. We do know that a magnetic field has to be dynamic in nature. There has to be subatomic particles flowing from the North Pole to the South Pole in the magnetic field. It cannot be sitting still. So I'm holding an equal magnet up to the magnets on this plastic disc. Okay, and the idea is we know that there's repulsion and attraction. If there's an imbalance between the repulsion and attraction, I can show that the disc will begin to spin on its own, but it's a very, very sensitive point in the angle, and it does not sustain for long unless you have it exactly right. And I have been able to get it to continuously spin, but it has to be positioned exactly right, and it doesn't really produce much energy because it's very slow moving. Okay, as you can see, that it's actually sustaining its own revolution without me having any kind of influence at all. So that is the beginning of this experiment of the Magmo. What I plan to do in the future is to electronically interrupt or divert or warp a magnetic field so that there is an unequal propulsion and attraction of the magnetic fields, but is controlled electronically. There are some other aspects of the frequency of the rotation that I'm trying to achieve, which I can't really talk about on this video, but it is something in nature that is still being researched that I have knowledge of, that I'm going to probably attempt to employ on this to give it some real propulsion capabilities or energy generation capabilities. We know that magnetic fields exist. We know that our subatomic particles are flowing. We don't fully understand them, but on the quantum level, the idea is to take the energy of magnetic fields that exist in the universe and convert that energy into real motion. That's the end of this video.